The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I'm just going to say this to each and every one out there, isn't it? Avoid heated arguments. Avoid those altercations with persons out there, you see me? Because, you know, some of the times these things can be bad and I don't want to see anyone getting hurt. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And I just want each and every one out there to live as loving as possible. Alright? And I'm saying this because of a video that is out on social media. And according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this video shows of a altercation between a person that is considered to be a Jamaican and other persons on a public transportation vehicle. I do not have any confirmed information as to where this had happened or when this had happened, but maybe by watching this video, you, my viewers and subscribers, might have an idea as to where or when this had happened, alright? Now I'm bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think, like who was wrong or how best to avoid confrontations or altercations or hostile arguments or so on, isn't it? Now, viewers and subscribers, this video contains harsh languages, alright? And I'm about to present this video to you so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, alright? So please bear in mind that this video contains scenes, or you can say harsh languages, that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Alright, observe.
Go on. Suck your mother. Man. Your mother stink like. You say your mother pussy stink. I don't care. Yeah, brother, come over your blood clot. She just like you, right? Wait, you don't know. She don't blood clot. You don't know, bitch. You don't know. My blood clot is. You don't know, bitch. You don't know, bitch. Bitch, me don't know. Bitch, me say me don't know. Bitch, mind your business, bitch. Me just feel right. That's why I roll up your blood clot out that way. Asshole like underneath your mother big pussy. Go suck your mother pussy. I am your mother pussy a night and that's how you chat so. But the fish blood clot boy. Don't chat the blood clot.
Chat is just words, baby dog.
You can't want. I mean, you see that? You don't want to you still a blood clot, sir. Yeah, you see that?
I want to hear you.
You see the thing?
I want to hear you.
You talk about people is ignorant.
I want to hear you.
Who's ignorant more than you?
I
Come love
want to
you
hear
with big butt you.
Yes, I know.
Why you come down.
Yeah.
And that is the do.
Right.
Before you can step up and touch me.
Yes.
Step off your blood clot.
Any more words?
Wait.
If you say
Somebody else, go suck your mother. That's all you
that's all the good ones you got,
go
right?
suck your mother.
See your friend.
Yeah. But you said no right now.
Oh, that's your friend?
We said this morning. I got the
Oh, yes, darling.
my brother,
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
this big
Praise the Lord. I am a man of God.
And just drop them for me. She don't even say excuse before she drop her big elephant leg them for me. I almost broke my blood clot leg. I don't want them to hold for junk food in America and they come from the bus. They want the blood clot me and say take up one seat. She want to take up 4 blood clot seats. She want to take up 4 seats and I don't know 25 she pay. Suck your mother. Suck your mother, bitch. Suck your mother.
Go over there, sit down.
No, but suck your mother, you big
That's
fat
all right,
bitch.
that's all.
You don't really want me to come out. You don't really want me to clap me because tell me coming on your blood. Now you can't run. You can't run. Me not fear the police. Jail them for black people, bitch. Suck your mama. What you want you? Bitch, I kill me the blood clot. You better laugh. I'm going to lose some weight at it. Lose some weight at it. Take your money. Lose some weight at it, big nasty bitch. You say outside hot, your pussy stink. And your fucking nasty. Look how small and petite me is. I'm not sweat. Your big ass stink like. You stink like. Suck your mother. Suck your mother. Suck your mama. Big the suck your mama. And you have the pussy. The pussy in your mouth. The pussy in your mouth. And you have the pussy in your mouth. Your pussy in your mouth. I wash your pussy. Your pussy is your mouth. I wash it.
Hallelujah. God bless you.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you, my brother. My blood clot. He is not my brother. Come on, we give a fuck. Hello?
I don't my fault is my way, my life, my
That's a your problem. You don't give a shit.
I know you. Thank you.
Fuck is now God. I don't know about church and I said this is not about blood clot. Where? Stinking ass. Stinking ass. Mister, that's the least. You have to leave that. You have no sense. You have no sense. Your mama is a witch. That's why your mama dead already because she done fuck too much and suck too much.
You know her very well, right?
See the police, eh?
You know her very well.
Sorry if I'm crying because I'm afraid. Whoa, I'm shaking. Fuck out of here.
God bless you, man.
Fuck out of here.
God bless you, darling.
So you call police. See me a thief.
Praise the Lord. Hallelujah.
See me a thief who walk the night, bitch. Go call the police. Whoa. And I've got 10 years reason why I'm taking me for this blood time. I've been thinking about my 20 time. I want to say, stop your mother. Everybody's afraid of police. Talk to you. The police never come and give a fuck about them kind of police. Fuck wrong.
God bless you, sweetheart. Thank you. Your praise, eh? God loves you. Okay?
No, I mean,
God loves you. Yeah. Praise the Lord. Yeah?
It wasn't that serious.
No, it's not at all. You know where you're from, alright? Leave it for the low life.
You can tell blood clot to come and I say, I the blood clot, you have to make 2 extra seats for the fat people, so they come on and carry 2 blood clots instead of 1. And you pay for 2 seats. You don't want to come from the bus, you don't want to come every day and blood clot, you want to pay food. And then you come from blood clot, go to transportation, I want to take up 3 blood clots. That don't mean make you big and fat and so on. I want to kill you. That don't mean make you look soft. Me do have a blood clot, watch me eat. If me not eat junk food, me go up cook me right food. Blood clot will come and work and if I use the food on the country, I come work up and up every blood clot junk. And you want to come play with me.
That's the reason why you're here.
Don't worry about me, go suck your mother. Me say go suck your mama.
Nah,
and don't find me the whole thing. Me say the blood clot, oh my God, please. We don't have to leave that to pretty people. Leave that blood clot to pretty people. You don't have to talk about ugly. Leave it to pretty people. I'll be thinking of the time people blood clot ugly. Leave it to pretty people. Okay?
It tastes like sucking ass and shit, son.
Come on, friend, go swear, collect this now, chop it up, man. Where? You think like, go wash your stinking ear. Go wash your ear. Party like your blood clot head, lice in your head. Thank God I'm with me, I'm going when the lice them dropping them, you can't shake it down. Blood clot, lice in your head, you can't talk to me.
So, nigga, that shit so fucking be off.
You're a Rasta. Rasta come from Jamaica, I don't know nothing about Rasta, is it? Suck your mama.
Nice. Yo, boy.
With your mighty Father.
Fuck your mother. Fuck your mother. Like you. Are you with your hand good? Are you with your hand good? You're pretty and short back. Fix your wig. Fix your wig. Fix your wig. I want to fix that. It's not yours. It's not yours.
Nah, son, it's like for real?
I wasn't in town. You know the way I was saying that.
Nah, son.
Almost definitely.
Yeah, boy, but that shit is, that shit could still be on.
Fuck out of here, you're dirty blood clot, nothing. Go wash your ear. About once now you're here to wash.
Buddy, we're gonna move like those.
Like your mother. I know some man are fucking in your mouth at night time. I have dirty blood clot, man. If they go wash your body and your mouth, they're fucking.
Jealous?
Jealous with you. Fuck out of here.
Jealous?
Fuck out of here.
You jealous?
Serious?
Was you jealous?
Are you serious?
You
You
must be
talking?
jealous.
You still talking? You know say about free dentists in America, right?
Yeah.
Kids must have free dentists now.
Yeah.
Clean your blood clot teeth.
Yes.
I told you.
Clean your teeth.
And what's
That
wrong?
shit.
You said kids must have free dentists.
Yours nice and white,
I
right?
said kids must have what dentist
I
free.
see yours nice and white.
I said kids must have dentist free. But clean your teeth. But clean your teeth.
Don't lie.
All the blood clot implanted.
Now there you have it, viewers and subscribers, the video that is out on social media, you know, and there's comments out there on social media about this video. Some persons are saying that this person is wrong or this person could have done this. You know, some persons are giving advice how to, you know, to better handle a situation like this. And you know, me just bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. All right. So viewers and subscribers, let me know how you would handle a situation like this, whether you're the Jamaican person or, you know, the other persons that said to have been involved in this whole altercation that had happened on a public transportation vehicle. Alright, let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright, and this is where we leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.